Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. In this quick video, I'm going to give you the front brake torque specifications on a Kia Optima. This is going to be for years 2006 to 2020, everything in between. Now, the torque specification for the brakes, so the knuckle to bracket, the caliper to bracket, they're all the same. But the lug nut torque specification does change on the newer vehicles or the newer Kia Optimas, so make sure you stay tuned throughout the whole video to make sure you're getting the proper torque specifications for your vehicle. Now, you might be wondering where I get my torque specifications from when I am performing a BJ here in the garage on any of these vehicles that I do. Well, this here is the motor guide book, brake specifications guide. Gives me all the helpful information I need to get a brake job done properly, the minimum thickness of a rotor, the maximum diameter of a drum when I am machining either one, and also the torque specifications on the brakes and the lug nuts. Very, very helpful book, and it also includes more information in this book as well. But this is where I get most of my information from if I'm not looking at All Data or Mitchell On Demand. Brake torque specifications is very important when you are performing a brake job. You want to make sure that everything is tightened up properly. You don't want to over tighten anything, strip something out, break a bolt, and just make the job harder. You also don't want to under tighten or not tighten something enough to where it's going to vibrate loose and just have catastrophic brake problems or brake failure while you're driving down the road. Also, when you're using proper brake torque specifications, when you're tightening everything up, you're ensuring that everything can move properly and freely and just ensure the best quality brake job that you can do on your own. Now, if you need a complete tutorial on how to perform a front brake job on your vehicle, for the pads, rotors, where to use lube, everything, tools needed, torque specs, all that good stuff, look for a link in the description or in the first comment, and I'll provide a link to a full DIY tutorial on how to perform a brake job on this vehicle. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. First off, the caliper bracket to knuckle bolts. These bolts should be tightened up in a window of 58 to 72 foot-pounds. Right in the center is my preference, or more towards the latter, never towards the 58 foot-pounds. So I believe in the video, if you go watch it, I tighten it down to about 65 foot-pounds. But in the window of 58 to 72 foot-pounds, this 17mm bolt can be tightened up to. Next, you're going to have the caliper to bracket bolts. These are 14mm bolts. These bolts could be tightened up in the window of 16 to 23 foot-pounds. Not too tight, not too loose. These ones are easy to strip out and break if you over tighten them. So just make sure you tighten these 14mm bolts to 16 to 23 foot-pounds. Now, the lug nuts. On the Kia Optimas that are 2006 to 2016, these lug nuts are tightened down in a window of 65 to 80 foot-pounds. Again, 65 to 80 foot-pounds, really not that tight, but that is the torque specification on the 2006 to 2016 Optimas. If you are working on a 2017 to 2020 year Kia Optima, you're going to tighten these lug nuts down to 79 to 94 foot-pounds. Again, 79 to 94 foot-pounds on the Kia Optima 17 to 2020. When you're tightening up the lug nuts, make sure you tighten them up in a cross pattern or a star pattern, never in a circle pattern. You want that wheel nice and flush, flat up against the hub and the rotor to make sure you don't have any vibration while you're driving down the road. And I like to tighten up or snug up the lug nuts while the vehicle is in the air, drop the vehicle on the ground so it doesn't turn, and then hit the lug nuts with the proper torque specification, again, in a star pattern. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure to comment below with the year, make, and model of the vehicle that it did help you on. Don't forget to hit that like button right now. Please subscribe, share, check out the video library, and I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.